Hello. Today we need to find the HCF of three numbers, 45, 85, and 90. HCF means the biggest number that can split into all three numbers with nothing left over. Let's do it step by step. Let's break 45 into tiny pieces called prime factors. 3 times 15 is 45. Then 3 times 5 is 15. And 5 is already a prime number. So 45 is 3 times 3 times 5. So here is 45 written as prime factors. It is 3 times 3 times 5. We can also write 3 times 3 as 3 squared. Now let's break 85 into prime factors. 5 times 17 is 85. Both 5 and 17 are prime numbers, so we are done. That was quick. So 85 is just 5 times 17. That's it, only 2 prime factors for this number. Now let's break 90 into prime factors. 2 times 45 is 90. Then 3 times 15 is 45. Then 3 times 5 is 15. And 5 is prime, so 90 is 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. Here is 90 written as prime factors. It is 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. We write 3 times 3 as 3 squared. Now let's put all three next to each other and look for the same numbers that show up in all three. Look carefully. The number 5 is in 45, in 85, and in 90. That's the only one they all share. The only prime factor that all three numbers share is 5. The number 3 is in 45 and 90 but not in 85, so we can't pick 3. Only 5 is in all three. Great job! The HCF of 45, 85, and 90 is 5. That means 5 is the biggest number that can split evenly into all three numbers. You did amazing work.